This is, suppose this is South America, plus it is Africa, and here we have Australia, and this is, I said that, Pacific Ocean, Pacific plate. And this is, I said that, Pacific plate, and this is, I said Australia. You can say like यहाँ पे यूरेशिया एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया, दोनों आप ले सकते हैं. Just imagine that earlier our continent and ocean is existing like this 3900 million years ago. ऐसे ही exist कर रहे. And from the deeper mantle what happens, I will make a small figure here, and then magma started convecting upward and there is a downward convection. I'll make a little smaller one, upward So there is a convectional current of magma at these four places. If you are able to see, it means what will happen? There will be divergence, and between these divergence there must be a kind of, I said, convergence. Yes, there must be a kind of convergence. Have an imagine if this picture has been clarified to 60-70% by you, then automatically plate tectonic has been understood by you. I said that when it will break, जब आपको पता है, when I have talked to you, there is a tensional force, diverges to which force? Tensional force, and then plate started diverging. And when the plate started diverging, suppose this plate can 1 meter this side, and this 1 meter ka matlab I am taking an exaggerate, or 1 meter you can say in what I said that in 100 years. If it is moving 1 centimeter per year, so 100 years it will be 1 meter. Suppose it moves 1 meter this side. So this plate has moved. ध्यान रखिएगा, the plate tectonic has been certified by the isostasy. This is the correct theory. Clear? So it has moved how many meter? 1 meter this side and 1 meter. So there will be a crack. Means this plate has been diverged, and in this diverged section, you know that the जैसे ये diverge हुआ, there is a new magma, this basaltic magma came, and then I said that solidified in this created rift and gap. Clear? So it has moved, you know that it has moved 1 centimeter this side and 1 centimeter this side. I said here, and when it is an also, there is in the same way, it has been also broken. Due to divergence, there is a new floor has been formed. Yes, and 1 centimeter moved away. But when it is started moving, and you know that these plates are floating over astronosphere, these plates are floating over astronosphere. And then oceanic plate को मैंने बताया, it is in a 3 gram per centimeter cube, and continental plate is how much? 2.7. Then which one is denser? So denser part is ocean plate. So when the two plates which are, I said that having a same density, during convergence they will collide, and one plate is, I said that more denser, they will what? Subduct down. So ocean floor is, I said that it is in a denser, and continental floor is, I said that it is in a less denser. So that what will happen, this continental floor will break from here, and then it started, I said that, tell me, subduction. How much subducted? Yes, tell me. 1 meter. तो यहाँ पर हम second figure I will show you. Earlier these plates were, I said that now, earlier ये plates यहाँ पे थे, now these plates come this side. These plates come this side. And here we are able to see, I said that subduction of the old ocean floor, and here it is also. So when the 1 centimeter has been new, when the 1 meter new floor has been formed, how much? 1 meter new floor, and then 1 meter this one, 1 meter this one, and यहाँ पर भी क्या हुआ? 1 meter when 1 meter has been formed. Yes, able to locate? And when the 1 meter has been formed, so this side 1 meter has been formed, and then it is an, so I said that if it is an 1 meter has been formed at the point of divergence, so 1 meter it will also subduct down. Yes, and यहाँ पर भी 1 meter बनकर ये plate इधर जा रहा था. So when this plate, earlier he was here, when this plate moved here, so ये 1 meter, so I said that this 1 meter formed has been subducted. But when it is in a 1 meter moved here, then again ocean floor will 1 meter more subduction. 1 meter subduction of the ocean floor will be more. So here the 1 meter more subduction. So I said that this 1 meter and this 1 meter. So this has been what I said that able to see subduction, the amount of rate of formation of ocean floor is equal to the amount of rate of degradation of ocean floor. Getting my point? The rate of formation of ocean floor is equal to the rate of formation, degradation or destruction of ocean floor. So formation कहाँ पे हो रहा है? At the point of divergence, and at the point of what I said that convergence, there is an, I said, destruction. And now this plate, if I am saying that, suppose it's got off. Now this plate is moving towards like this. तो ये portion पहले कहाँ पे था? This portion was here. So यहाँ पे new बना, तो this plate has been moved from here to here. So ये सारा का सारा portion कितना move करेगा इधर? This portion has moved here. In this way, this portion has also moved. So total it will move by 1 meter. Yes or no? Total it will move here by 1 meter. I said that this is becoming Africa, and this is becoming, I said that, South America. And suppose I said that it is an Australia. So when it has moved 1 meter, और यही सेम पेसिफिक प्लेट, यहां पर भी मैंने बोला था दिस इज द पेसिफिक प्लेट, एंड सेम पोर्शन आई एम शोइंग हियर. So there is a divergence has been taken place 1 meter. And when the divergence has been taken place, then 1 meter it will the same here I am showing you South America. I said that here the convectional current of magma, helped in formation of 1 meter floor, ocean floor, and 1 meter subducted. And here 1 meter formed, and then it started moving away. And when it started moving away, then the older oceanic floor, I said that it started what? Subducting down. क्योंकि ये जब move करेगा तो content तो नीचे जाएगा नहीं, then which one will go down? So ultimately who is going down? Ocean floor. I said that, so 2 meter form and the 2 meter it has been what I said that subducted. यहाँ पे ये 1 meter move बना. When this 1 meter has been formed, or this 1 meter, ध्यान से देखेंगे, this 1 meter has been formed, so it is moving 1 meter this side. This is the whole, it is Africa and Australia is moving 1 meter. So जब ये 1 meter move कर रहा है, so this has been subducted by how much? 1 meter. लेकिन ये 1 meter जो ये बना, the same 1 meter, same दिखा रहा हूँ, this is both are Pacific. So it has what? 1 meter more subduction. So this one and one, this one, इसी को same repeat कर रहा हूँ मैं यहाँ पे. This one and this one help in the what formation? 2 meter. What I said that? Subduction or destruction. Clear? And again, if you can see like this, again this convectional current of magma will continue, and you can be able to see, like I said, that over the period now this plate will move here. Now the new flow. So this plate has moved from here to here. Another new, and this plate, convectional current of magma will make this plate to be here. And when it will move here, so along this divergent boundary, again then I said that ये जो solidified ocean floor है, this solidified ocean floor, again they will break here, and then this 1 meter has been broken. ये दोनों इस साइड चलेगा, and along this convectional current of magma, when this is happening, the gap created, and in this gap created, this new magma came and again solidified, and after that again you can be able to see 1 and 1 has been formed. Both the side equal amount. And when it has been formed 1 and 1, again आप देखोगे, you will be able to see that this old ocean floor now it will come 1 meter. यहाँ पर जब ये होगा, it will be divergence is taking place. When this divergence is taking place, then again this plate will come at this point, and this older one which is there, it will come this, and this portion will, I said, and this older 1 meter, and again a gap is created below the convectional current of, and in this gap again new crust has been, new oceanic crust has been formed. And so if you are able to see that again new crust has been formed, तो यहाँ पर आपने देखा again 1 meter has been formed, and here it is again. So already one and then new this one and new this one has also subducted. Okay? And now अब मैं इस new one की बात करने जा रहा हूँ. This one in the red color I am showing again. So along this floor, अब ये floor क्या होते जा रहा है? You can be able to see like now South American plate. ये South American plate को आप क्या देख रहे हो? It keeps on moving here. And now the South American plate has been able to reach here. So I said that, and then this picture I am drawing here. And if you are able to see like earlier this ocean floor has been 1 meter and this ocean floor 1 meter, and in this gap again there is a new gap has been created below this, and the new floor has been formed and 1 meter and 1 meter. So slowly and slowly I said that this यहाँ पर कितना हो गया formed 1 and 1, 2, and here it is in a 1 and 1. So the 2 formed and 2 destroyed, means 2, 2, 2, 4 destroyed. So यहाँ पे this way 4 destroyed, and here 1 and 1, 2, and here you can be able to see like this, and this 1 and 1, 2, तो ये 2 and ये दोनों 2 बनने के बाद 1, 2, 3, 4 meter destroyed. And slowly if you'll see that earlier the Pacific Ocean was large and the Pacific Ocean is shrinking, and you will be able to see Atlantic Ocean is what I said that